Good Thursday evening. We've got a new coffee toy. I think we have to open it. I haven't opened it yet. It's called a Vandroop. Vandroop, pour over coffee. ... It's really funny. Vandroop cough. ... ATE. Borosilicate. They abbreviated everything. Made in China. Fragile glass. All glass pour over. Show the pictures on Amazon. Why did I want another coffee maker? I like this V60 plastic coffee drip. I like this V60 plastic coffee dripper. It's got a nice big hole. I get a nice good flow. Some people hate that. But I stand over it and I pour just a little at a time. It makes good coffee. But it's plastic. One of my last videos I had a Bravado glass dripper. The problem is it has a lip that comes down and it doesn't fit on my mugs. Before I open it, you can buy the glass dripper, but that costs like $23.99. For $26.99 you get the dripper and the carafe. Let's open it up, man. Oh my gosh. Thursday night, I can't wait for coffee. Oh. Oh. It's kind of attractive. Okay. This feels very light. No markings, but we know what they are. It smells. This box has a smell. Let's open the base first. Let's check out this base. Now it has like a little, I think it's silicone insert. I can see it right here. If you want to just put the lid on it and close it, like seal it. Oh. So $26.99 for both pieces plus tax. So it's like $28. Oh, it smells. It's got a funky smell. It says approximately 500 ml, which is fine for me. I'm looking for I'm looking for like 16 ounces of coffee for 2 mugs, you know? That's pretty. That's pretty. The letters are like silver. The ribbing is on the inside, which I didn't expect. This is, yeah, I think this is plastic, but it seals it. That's pretty cool, I think. And it does feel like silicone. Don't break it. This is glass. I'm wrong. I thought it was plastic, this. Wow. It's got these little grooves. And it does match up to the ribbing in the glass. Ribbing? Ribbing? Well, that's interesting. It didn't have to. That's a little extra effort on their part. Let's take it out. Very nice. I'm happy with that. Let's see if there are any feel for burrs or feel for cracks. It's bumpy. But all the ribbing is on the inside. It's perfectly smooth on the outside. That's nice. They could have put the ribbing on the outside. Very attractive bottom. They didn't have to do the ribbing on the bottom either. That could have just been a flat bottom. They went all out. I can pick that up nicely. I don't know if you can see, but that nice yellow tint with borosilicate glass. Borosilicate glass. There's a very funny line in the ad copy that says it can go from freezing to boiling hot water. That's not true. The only stuff that can do that is Corning. I'm pretty sure if this goes from freezer to boiling hot water, it's going to shatter. So I kind of laughed when I saw that. Oh, that's different than just a baggie. Huh? It smells funny. There's a funny smell. COVID. There's a funny smell. Look, I know this glass, it's all kind of fragile. I may end up breaking it, but for now, all right, let's see what we got. Oh, hey, that's very attractive. And the ribbing again is on the inside. You got a swirl pattern for the coffee to go down. And you've got no rim going around, which is the problem with my Bravado. But that will. Very nice. It doesn't feel too light. It doesn't sound too thin. It might be. Okay. Now, interestingly, I don't know if you can tell, but the carafe has that tint yellow that you normally get with borosilicate glass. This doesn't. So they are not the same, maybe not the same glass. I don't know. Okay, and isn't that attractive? It's actually bigger than the V6, a Hario. They're close. Let's check the. That's identical. Very nice. Oh my gosh, let's see. That down, and that does not sit well. So that is not meant, you are not meant to stack these. This is not stackable with the glass in there, but it does seal off the carafe. Alright, I'm going to wash these, and we're going to have to make some coffee tomorrow morning.
Good morning. Let's make some coffee. Unnecessary clip. Why am I so tired? We overslept. Are you still in the hammock? Grace is in the hammock. Yeah. Hey, thanks for joining me this Friday morning. Oh, it tastes good. Good coffee. Very attractive. I don't think $26.99 is a bad price at the moment. When this alone costs $23.99. You know what I'm gonna say? What am I gonna say? Good Friday morning. Thanks for watching.